everybody, this is Ryan, and he's going to go over why this Softail was his pick for Winter Storage 2022.
I'm Ryan from St Paul Harley, Harley-Davidson, and my tech pick is this 21 Softail Standard that's definitely not standard. This is kind of an interesting mix between performance and comfort. He's got a Saddleman step-up seat. He's got a 2-in-1 Reinhardt exhaust. The Ventilator Extreme air cleaner on here. I just finished doing a stage 2 torque cam install on it, so I think the customer is going to be pretty happy with it come spring. It's got a rigid mount sissy bar on here and a Mustache engine guard. That's about it.